If your JVC KW M750BT car multimedia receiver begins freezing, losing Bluetooth connections, or behaving unexpectedly, performing a reset can often restore normal operation. Resetting the radio clears temporary system errors and reloads the device's default settings, allowing the software to restart cleanly. This is especially useful after firmware glitches, pairing issues, or when the touchscreen stops responding properly. Fortunately, the reset process only takes a moment and can be done directly from the unit. Try these. Step 1. Turn on the car radio and locate the small reset pinhole on the front panel of the unit. Step 2. Use a paperclip or thin pin to gently press the reset button inside the hole. Step 3. Hold the button for about 2-3 seconds until the screen turns off or restarts. Step 4. Wait while the radio reboots and reloads the system interface. Step 5. Reconfigure your Bluetooth connections, audio settings, and preferences after the reset completes.